Sure.
Get the idea. Right, be good to me. You've been close to 10 in a row a few times. $1 million. Oh, I've got different monkeys. You dirty bitch. Fucking me over again.
It's sort of focus as well.
That'll be fine. Oh, 20 pence and they get to anybody. Come on, you monkey bastard. Damn it. Take a win. That just been one dinner, 9 monkeys. Oh, damn your eyes. All I want is 5 wilds that line up next to each other, or that skanky bastard that fucking over. Oh, that's no good. No good. Go on, you dirty bitch. That's more like it. Ten of her would be a good time. I've still got 4 spins to get 10 of her. Monkey hun bastards. Oh, that's hopeless. Come on now. Oh, I got the birds. One of the birds.
Flamingos.
Yeah, I know what they are. They're also birds. Because you're a twitching bastard. Yeah, I know.
Cute.
I know how you like a good twitch, even on a slot machine.
I'll pause the video.
You ruined my last spin. Sitting arguing about birds. I like it.